always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens.
What's going on, boys and girls, and welcome back to Project Zangetsu. I am your host, Zangetsu, aka Z the Entertainer, back with another car culture vlog for you guys. Now, yes, I know behind me is not Zangetsu. In fact, it's not even a Subaru. Zangetsu, unfortunately, is not yet back. Should be coming back by tomorrow, according to what Donovan said. But for now, what I'm trying to do is to fulfill on my promise of continuing to give you guys some consistent car culture content. And this is also going to simultaneously be a soft pilot to a new series that I want to actually add to Project Zangetsu, where I will actually be reviewing different cars that aren't necessarily Subarus or even JDM in nature, just basically performance based. Some of them might not even be performance cars. And we'll see how that goes. I'll see how you guys like it based on your response in the comments below and everything like that, and we'll go forward from there. Now, having said that this is not a Subaru, it is still, however, a JDM. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you 2007 IS250. Lexus has been Toyota's luxury brand since 1989, and they have been producing cars like this ever since then. Basically, the cars themselves were marketed at the young urban professional who wants a little bit of style and performance, but with a huge focus on luxury, and that's exactly what this car gives. I mean, if we take a look at the body styling for a moment, beautiful, sleek, flowing lines. I especially like the fact that it's a bit of a wide body. If you look at the fender from this angle here, you can see how far it actually stretches out horizontally from the bonnet line. We've got a nice set of 17-inch rims here, nice and adequate, not too much gap between the tire and the fender. We have some nice LED side mirrors here where the indicator light is on the mirror itself. A whole lot of nice style touches here. To me, it looks more like a sports car than a luxury car as far as the outward appearance of the car. So as soon as we jump in here, immediately the words luxury sedan are screaming at us. The words executive, the words high class, sophistication, things like that. This is what you feel from sitting inside this car. Everything is leather clad, well, the seats anyway. In any case, the finishes on the dash and the steering, I'm not sure whether this is genuine leather or not, but it looks close enough to the genuine article. Everything else is basically like a high quality plastic polymer that's been finished on all of the interior touches. We've got a nice big navigation screen here. Apparently this model was the EX, if I'm not mistaken. It's sort of like halfway between the standard IS250 and the higher IS250 SE, which actually came with the navigation screen and a whole lot of other functional extras. So this one was sort of like the compromise between the two, where you didn't get all of the optional extras that you would get in the SE, but you would still get your navigation screen at the very least and a little bit of the other executive touches that the SE model has. Okay, and now we're going to take this baby on the road. Now, from the moment you turn this engine on, you already hit with the sublime silence that is luxury car. That is what they were going for when designing this car. It's got a 2.5 liter V6, a 2.5 liter V6 engine that produces an adequate 154 kilowatts of power. Not too shabby. If let's say it was tuned specifically for sports, I would expect a V6 power plant to produce way over maybe even 180, close to 200 kilowatts. But of course, this was designed specifically for comfort and luxury. Now, one of the other things that will make it obvious to you that this is not a performance car is when you do actually get on it, you'll notice that there's a huge amount of rev hand on the rev counter, and even in your feeling of the driving experience as you go through the gears. You'll notice that when you put it into, well, what they call sports in this car, you will be able to actually control the gear shifting yourself. But if, let's say, you're like trying to redline all the gears because you're trying to go really fast or whatever, you will notice that as soon as you change into the next gear, it will take just about maybe 3 or 4 seconds or so before it actually matches the revs to the gear you're actually in now. So for me, that's a huge downer. But then again, I'm a guy who's looking for a performance car, so it's understandable. Having said all of that, the Lexus is still a very comfortable driving experience though. I mean, you do feel that there is some power to it, don't get me wrong. You can push it and have a bit of a nice experience on the highway. But robot-to-robot racing or dashing around or anything like that, don't expect too much acceleration though. It has been built mainly for comfort. Thanks very much. And also, I can't conclude this video without adding this. A huge shout out and heartfelt thank you goes out to my sister Pili Swamatangu for making her car available for this review today. So there you have it, folks. The Lexus IS250 2007 model. If you've driven one, let me know what you thought about it in the comment section down below. If you'd like to get one, I hope this video has given you all the information you might need to make your decision. And let me know what you thought of this review in the comment section down below. So this is basically, this will mark the first episode of my upcoming random car review series. I'm not sure what I'm going to be calling it yet. Maybe you guys can give me some suggestions in the comment section down below. But yeah, this will be it. This is the Lexus IS250. So have you driven it? What did you think about it? Let me know in the comment section down below. As usual, people, I have been Zangetsu Mashangu, aka Z the Entertainer, and thank you for taking the time to chill with me and check out this vlog. And if you liked what you saw, please click on the thumbs up icon and leave us a like. And if you'd like to see more, please click subscribe and be sure to click on that bell icon to be notified every time I drop new content on this here channel. And before I go, guys, I am considering also bringing back the movie review content. So let me know what you think of that. I'm just a little bit conflicted on the decision because I'm trying to decide whether to go all out as far as being a car culture vlog and just stick to that and focus on that as a brand, or I'm also considering being a bit of a channel with some variety on it, you know, like consider me like sort of like a television network that has several channels in its network. So I'm considering having the movie reviews stay as part of that variety to other people that actually joined the channel for that reason. So you would have your trailer reactions, your movie reviews, and you would also have car culture vlogs, so that I can cater to those two specific markets of people. I don't know, I'm still basically trying to make a decision. Let me know what you guys think. Comment in the comment section down below as to what your thoughts are. Until next time, guys, stay awesome, stay taking care of each other, stay chasing your dreams to infinity and beyond. Let's do it again.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on.